y'all worried about? Get over here and eat. Look at
Yep.
y'all coming in.
Oh, they're all coming in. They're all in the back still coming up. Look at this guy right here. Mama dear. Who's this guy? Is that Big Nose right there?
Yeah.
Look, he's smelling.
Hi, Big Nose.
Yeah.
He's just crazy. He's pushing that thing around.
We got Bevy and Crocodile Dundee Jim, Slim Jim,
Hey, T!
TJ's on the other trail.
Was she back there?
Got, hi, Big Nose.
Big Nose.
What you doing, babies?
Big Nose, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, be nice.
Oh,
They're the two old ones. There's
yeah.
what's his face right behind them.
Ooh, are they making noise? Big Nose, you just goosed the baby.
Look at these two.
Yes, babies.
Oh, that was so cute.
Look at this little guy right here.
Tex, what you doing over there, bud?
Come on, baby, eat. That's Big Nose right there that just ran.
Tex, what you doing, bub? What are you coming over here for? Hi, Tex.
Yeah. Okay, bye.